don't see any reason why with a few basic tools you can't go out and do this work yourself. It's about due. Now granted, it's a 16-year-old car, almost 17-year-old car at this point, but it only has 67,000 miles. So the majority of the service to work that it would need at this many miles, you can do yourself. For example, spark plugs. I don't see any reason why with a few basic tools you can't go out and do this work yourself. Save yourself that time, that effort, taking your car to the shop, and of course the expense of doing so. The price of the tools is less than what it'll take for the shop to do this work for you. So why don't we go out to the garage and get this started. Before I get started, I want to talk about a couple of things really quick. The motor in this case is really clean. I've cleaned it previously, and it makes it a lot neater space to work in. Not only in something like this where we're changing the plugs, but just the overall work, let alone appearance. I really think keeping your motor clean is really important, and I'll be happy to have a video of that someday of how to really successfully and easily clean your motor, so it's a lot better to work with. But what I also wanted to show before I get started, a cool trick that my friend Peter taught me. So I'm going to pan up here. And if you may have noticed in the comments from the videos, the Ryobi light that I'm using. This is a pretty much standard Ryobi work light, but except it's got a gap in the foot. That gap fits perfectly over the nose of the hoods of most of our cars. Now in my F32, you can stick it right in the center, and on E46, I have to offset it a little bit. I always make sure to use towels to keep it from slipping and also so it doesn't scrape or anything like that underneath that foot. But the little gap cut out in the foot works perfectly to hang over the hood. Also, this light, you can put a battery in it, which I don't have right at the moment, or you can run a cord. It's dual power. You can run a cord in it as well. So I don't have to worry about battery life in this case. So we're going to get started, but I wanted to show these couple of tips before we get going. Clean motor, which is really, really helpful, and this light hanging off your hood. And the lighting into my engine bay is now absolutely brilliant. So I don't have to worry about that at all.